Hello everybody, today I'm going to introduce to you is how to record when you receive a refund from your supplier. So your supplier will give you a debit note as a refund document just for record purpose, but some of the supplier will give you so-called debit note, but you still need to go through the same process when you receive a refund money from the supplier. So go to the purchase, enter purchase, and select your supplier that go for the refund. Normally refund, which means is maybe have a product 40. So first of all, key in the supplier so-called debit note number. Just key in the number. Normally it's CM blah 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 blah, and bill is quantity. Maybe this time is refund 2 pieces of iPhone. Maybe the iPhone is 40. So the price you can change from here, and if your tag got any project, you can continue the tag for the project. If not, just leave it. So after everything, just record. No need to print out anything because this is a so-called record a debit note from your supplier. So after that, you have to offset it, so-called receive the refund. So go to purchase, purchase register, go to returns and debits, select the particular debit note, and click receive refund. Maybe they pay you by Xero or pay now, then you just key in the 8-digit number behind the transaction, and then after everything, of course must change the date as well. Just click record and done. That's so simple to record a refund when you receive from your supplier. Thank you.